Humble leaders admit their mistakes. Arrogant leaders blame others for their mistakes. They think admitting mistakes is a sign of weakness. On the contrast, admitting mistakes is a sign of courage and strength. After all, making mistakes is human, and accepting one's own mistakes requires great courage. No leader ever makes the right decision 100% of the time. They make the best decisions based on the information available. However, as the information becomes available or circumstances change, their prior decisions may appear to be incorrect. When mistakes occur, regardless of the cause, a leader's best course of action is to admit the error and move on to solve the problem. In most cases, people will understand that mistakes happen, and if they are not fatal, then generally they can be reversed by a subsequent decision based on the new evidence available. Rather than continue to pursue a failed course of action based on a bad decision, leaders who admit mistakes and move on will retain the respect of their trust of their followers. And it takes great humility to accept our mistakes. Humble leaders are willing to expose their vulnerability and to treat themselves as human. This will inspire their followers to do the same, resulting in high trust and transparency within the team.